welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this super cute bob look. If you did not see the install of these kinky twists with the QVR hair, I'll link that video up above. We took those twists and did a little twist on them. Like that wordplay. So this is the final look. These twists have been up for a few weeks now. So I decided to take them a little shorter. So let me give you a quick 360 and we're gonna get into this tutorial. The bob is definitely bobbing. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because when I tell you 2024, I'm bringing the heat and you don't want to miss it. And I don't want you to miss it, so stay tuned. I do also have a discount code for this hair. I'll put that discount code above as well as in the description box. So make sure you check it out along with all the other discount codes that I have. Now let's get to the tutorial. So I took these kinky twists. They were about mid-back length. I'll insert some clips of that.
They say keep posting content, so I'm just gonna keep showing up until y'all catch on all this greatness over here.
I did do some different styles with the twist before I made them to this bob length. So let me show you that and then we'll get into this look. Keep on watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you like the longer version or this cute little bob length? I actually love them both, but I get so bored with styles so easily, so I always have to switch them up. Even when I'm in a protective style, I want to do things differently. So this is a great way to add some longevity to the look, make me feel like I have a different style, you know, a little sort of switch up. I will be taking these out soon to do some more styles, so make sure you stay tuned for all of that goodness. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.